In today's video, I'll show you how to disable the WordPress Heartbeat API to improve your site's performance. The Heartbeat API handles real-time communication between your browser and server, helping with features like autosave and session management. While useful, it can also increase server load, especially on shared hosting. To manage this, we'll use a plugin that makes the process quick and safe. Start by logging into your WordPress dashboard. From the left menu, open the Plugins section and click Add New. In the search bar, type Heartbeat Control. When the plugin appears, click Install Now, and once installation finishes, click Activate. After activation, go to the Settings section in your dashboard and open Heartbeat Control. Here you'll see several options that let you decide how the Heartbeat API behaves on your site. You can disable it everywhere if you want to completely stop heartbeat activity. If you prefer a balanced option, you can disable it only on the dashboard while keeping it active elsewhere. Another useful choice is allowing it only on post and page editing screens, which keeps autosave working without unnecessary background activity. You also have the option to adjust how often heartbeat requests run, which helps fine-tune performance without fully disabling the feature. Once you've selected the settings that best fit your needs, scroll down and click Save Changes. That's it. You've successfully controlled the WordPress Heartbeat API, helping reduce server load while keeping important features where they matter most. Thanks for watching and happy optimizing.